Hi everyone and welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to install the TickBlaze platform offered through a Phoenix add-on. So first of all, to get TickBlaze through Phoenix, you have to purchase at least one account. To do that, I'm just going to click on Get Funded and choose, let's say, a classic. If I scroll down a bit, you can see that there is an add-on section with TickBlaze offered right there. So you click on Add and it's added, and then you can continue checkout and you have TickBlaze. Once TickBlaze is purchased through this method, we are just going to go to My Account, and here I have two things. First of all, I have a download platform button and an installation tutorial, which is this video. If you have just purchased the TickBlaze add-on, you have a third button right there, which is verify your email. You just have to click on this button and your email will be verified. To download the platform, it's pretty simple. You click on this button and you will download the installer of the latest version or whatever you want. And let's switch screens. So here I have the TickBlaze installer. I'm just going to double click on it. Click on Allow and start the TickBlaze installation process. I agree, install. And TickBlaze is installing. And I'm clicking Start TickBlaze now, once that's done. So once this is done, we'll just open TickBlaze up. And there we have. So now I'm just going to enter the credentials that are on my Phoenix dashboard. I'll click on Remember Me and Login. And once I am logged in, I will have this window opening up. So this window is basically TickBlaze main selection menu. And the main advantage of this platform is that it's basically a 2-in-1 trading platform. You have the first platform, which is, the standard one. And you have the strategy desktop, which is more of a quantitative trading platform. So we'll go through the standard desktop first and just click on OK. So once you have loaded TickBlaze for the first time, you will see a similar chart as is right now. So I'm just gonna expand this and close some unnecessary windows like that. Can I close this? Yes, I can close it there. Okay, so right now you see a few things. First of all, you already have some data. So right now this is not very useful for us because we need to connect. So we're just going to go to Menu, Connection, and we are going to connect twice, actually. So first of all, we need the data, and after that we'll need the broker connection. If you know Rhythmic already, it's exactly the same as the Rhythmic Trader Pro interface, where you are supposed to connect with two different types of connections, the market data and the order connection. So data provider, I'm just going to select Rhythmic, next, and for username, I'm just going to enter my Phoenix credentials, and the Phoenix credentials are on the dashboard of Phoenix, obviously. For the server, I'm going to select Rhythmic Paper Trading, Gateway Chicago area is fine, data mode, leave it to aggregated, or AirTrader if you use the plugin mode. So if you want to have both AirTrader Pro, the Rhythmic application, and TickBlaze opened, you will need to select AirTrader and use plugin mode. It will not work if you don't select use plugin mode right there. So for the sake of this test, I'm just going to leave it disabled and leave the data to aggregated. And then I'm going to go to next and finish. So right now, nothing has changed. I need to go to Menu, Connection, and click there. And here there is the screen going black. I'm clicking on Update there to roll over the instruments because it's futures. You see there the state of connection, and there you go, it's connected. The logo there has changed to Rhythmic, and now Apple there has no data, which is quite normal. And I'm just going to select the S&P 500, for example. You see that we have all the data provided by Rhythmic. And there we have the real-time market data. So right now, how to place trade. because that's the question. You see that if I go to here, account, you have only one account, the sim default, which means that we don't have any of the account provided by my Phoenix or Rhythmic account. So to solve this issue, I'm just going to go to menu, connection, and new broker connection. I'm going to click on Rhythmic, up, Rhythmic again, and use the same credentials as before. Server is always Rhythmic Paper Trading, Chicago area, finish, up. I'm going to click on Rhythmic, the new connection that was just added, and I'm waiting for it to load. So after a bit of time, you will have those two dots green, which means that both the broker and the data are connected to Rhythmic. And you can see that with a few things. First of all, the chart is still loading in real time. And second of all, instead of sim default, we have a list of our accounts there. So this is a test purposes account. And I'm just going to select this random account for test purposes. Okay, so now that this is done, let's do the final thing before actually starting to place some trades, the broker synchronization. So to do that, you will have to go to menu, tools, options, runtime, and make sure that the sync positions with broker option is recommended is ticked. So I click on that, okay. And now I can start to play some trades. What happens with TickBlaze is that basically, as you saw, this option is not activated by default. Meaning that, for example, if an external order comes without TickBlaze notice, it won't synchronize. To illustrate that, let's take an example. Let's say that you are trading on TickBlaze, okay? Everything is fine. And you open AirTrader Pro, which is the Rhythmic platform. And so, for whatever reason, you decide to close your trade from AirTrader Pro and not from TickBlaze. If this option is not checked, what will happen is that, on Rhythmic, so on the real account per se, the order will be closed, obviously, but TickBlaze wouldn't know that. And because they wouldn't know that, then you will have a sort of ghost order that doesn't exist, but that will be there on TickBlaze. So anyway, that will cause a lot of issues. That's why you absolutely need this option to be activated. And there, how do we place the trade? Well, you have a few options. First of all, you can right click and buy limit, buy stop, sell limit, sell stop, obviously. And what I like to do is to both show trade pad and to show trade tabs. So this will, as you might have guessed, show me all of my trades there, and it will give me a cleaner interface to place my trades. So let's say I just want to buy market there. I'm just going to select buy market, and there I have my long order with my trade there that appears with my precise account ID, current price, entry price, and my net P&L. Just there. And let's say I want to sell limit right there. I'm just going to click on that, and it's basically done. So as you can see, this was pretty straightforward to connect. As for the more in-depth tutorial, like how to stop the indicators, what you can actually do with this platform that you cannot do with others, I recommend you checking TickBlaze videos. As you can see there, I've just typed in TickBlaze and I went into their channel. It's really comprehensive right now. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed, and I hope we'll see you trade on TickBlaze soon. Bye.